Tony D'Onofrio. I'm the president of Sensormatic. It's a pleasure to be here in New York for the big show where we're reimagining the store. In fact, this is the first year where the focus is totally on the future. We're reinventing customer experiences with our shopper track analytics. We're reinventing front ends. We're really reinventing how stores get smarter and much more operationally efficient.
The solutions we have this year at the 2026 Big Show are all totally different. One is bringing AI and automation into the space. We're starting to see that with Shrink Analyzer, Shrink Flow, some of our data delivery softwares that create value for retailers and beyond in the new business areas. The next piece is retail media network integration. We have our new Flex system that's launching this year. We've incorporated retail media networks and screens into those devices. The last piece is driving data-intensive value. So we're really excited to have strong partnerships to deliver more data and value to our customers.
So usually we use this show to really understand what's going on with our retailers and their challenges, but this year, all these new innovations that we released are retailer-inspired. So I think getting feedback, creating that feedback loop of letting them see all these inspirations that they've given us is really what we're looking for this year, is understanding if this is what they're asking for, does it meet the mark, and how can we keep optimizing to meet demand?
Well, I think across EMEA it's a very varied location, and so we've got different things that are priorities for different customers. But I'd say one of the hottest topics right now is organised retail crime, something that we see growing in multiple markets.
The biggest trend right now is we're all trying to fight organized crime, and what's come to fruition with us at Sensormatic is an amalgamation of tracking inventory, which RFID allows us to do, but also capturing the event at the exit to allow us to identify what actually left the store and be able to get a better handle on who's stealing from us across the region or across the country.
In Latin America, we have the opportunity to show them a lot of opportunities and initiatives that we have to serve all of them, whatever the moment they are in the journey of loss prevention, RFID, or customer experience.
Asia customers have a renewed hunger for new technology, cutting edge, leading edge, innovative technology. And they want technology that can do stuff that's never been done before. Reduce costs, increase profitability, and kind of go where they haven't gone before.
Sensormatic comes to NRF every year, and we're here to showcase new products, new services, and new value opportunities to our retail customers, and we're excited to show a whole new line of products this year at 2026 NRF.
Orbit AI and video AI is the next generation of people counting. So it allows our customers to seamlessly sort of leap forward in gathering new metrics from one singular device. And the biggest differentiator is re-ID. So we now have the ability to count unique visitors and exclude employees from your counts with no wearables. Also measure shopper journey. So how long are people dwelling around your store? Which zones are getting the most people? And they're able to see this through either a simple grid system, a more intricate grid system. So whatever the retailer type is, we can customize their solution for their stores and what they're wanting to achieve.
Shrink Analyzer is a piece of software that helps translate the reads that we have in the store, the RFID reads. So it looks at merchandise coming in and out of the exits, compares that to the POS data, and produces really exceptional report for our investigators.
Yeah, and then what we're showing up as new this year is a whole new level that we're going beyond the store. Right now, Shrink Analyzer is being focused what's happening at the store, specifically at the exit, but now we're looking beyond it and where those losses are going to, where they show up, like in a fencing location, and we can scan them, and then we can pinpoint that information back to what happened when, and then give that information to nice view to the customer so they can actually act on it.
The Flex platform, it's our new entrance and exit system. It's a very modular system that blends into the storefront. It's made to be customizable for the retailers and for the customers. So some of the main features you'll see is they can customize all the base aesthetics to make it either blend into their stores or stand out if they wanted to. And then it also has a whole bunch of sales and marketing revenue components to it. So you'll see like display cases, media screens, ad panels all over it. So it's really taking that loss prevention that we've proven for all these years and transforming it into our next generation of products.
So one of the exciting new programs that we're sharing with retailers this week is something called our Category Level Shrink Insight Program. Now we can provide some data and some analytics into some of their high shrink categories. That data is collected in our Shrink Analyzer platform, and then those dashboards can be shared with retailers to provide an opportunity for them to implement a more proactive, data-driven loss prevention strategy for those some of the high shrink categories they're having major theft problems with.
So we will be introducing a collaboration with Kion over the coming days, where we're going to more deeply engage and integrate with their hands-free cycle counting solution. I think retail always struggles with store operations. Hands-free is really designed to give you real-time inventory data across your entire store location at any given time throughout the day. Incremental to this, it can also give you location data. So one of these sensors approximately is capable of covering about 60 square meters of store space and gives you really location accuracy of all your inventory up to 1 to 2 meters within your store.
So some of the innovations that we have been showing here at the show include the embedded SIM tag, which is our latest innovation around the tags. Basically, we take advantage of the garment itself to embed a tag in a way that is not intrusive to the customers, and at the same time gives the retailers the capability to track as well as to get automated inventory on their systems. Also on the TrueView Cloud side, we have been doing a lot of investment in the latest year to transform our platform and expand from a multi-tenant SaaS to a platform as a service, so we can better address the market demands and be able to better serve our customers. We are right now finalizing the expansion to the platform as a service, to PaaS, and we will be enabling our customers to be able to do hybrid deployments, dedicated deployments, and with this, our customers will have more flexibility towards their needs, especially around the workflows, and to be able to get more customized experiences.
We are a retail customer first company. There's 3 core strategies that I brought back to the business, and they are global scale, service and delivery, and a lot more innovation. At the center of all that is the retailer, and we want to make sure we help retailers to become super successful.
Retail is going to have infinite options to buy, sell, trade, transact, pick up, delivery, have it made custom. I believe the world will be the consumer's oyster in the next 60 years. I just hope that we continue to shape that journey for retail and customers alike.
For the next 60 years, really it's about how we help retailers redefine what's next. And as we start to, or continue to embrace the latest technologies that come out, think about how they can interact with our solutions and help to add real value to our customers. Really, I think that's what we'll continue to do as we go forward in the next 60 years.
Sensormatic has come a very, very long way in the last 60 years. It started out with a store manager chasing a shoplifter and really creating an EIS tag. We are so far ahead of that right now in terms of creating intelligent stores, next generation solutions that really drive operational efficiencies, drive higher profitability for the retailers. All our technology is customer first.
Happy 60th anniversary.
Happy 60th anniversary, Sensormatic Solutions.
Please check us as many aniversário Sensormatic Solutions.
Happy 60th anniversary, Sensormatic.
Happy 60th.
Congratulations on 60 wonderful years.
Happy 60th anniversary to Sensormatic employees all over the world.
Buon anniversario del 60º. Grazie.
Feliz cumpleaños e parabéns, Sensormatic.
Happy 60th anniversary, Sensormatic.
Happy 60th anniversary to Sensormatic Solutions.
muitos parabéns a todos os colaboradores da Sensormatic por estes 60 anos da Sensormatic.
Sensormatic Solutions, ich wünsche dir ein tolles 60-jähriges Jubiläum.
祝贺60周年，恭喜恭喜！
60 years is an amazing milestone for this company, Sensormatic. I've had the pleasure of being here for multiple decades. It is an extremely proud moment for me. I see a tremendous potential for this business in terms of reinventing where retail goes next for both loss prevention, inventory intelligence, and traffic intelligence. Happy 60th anniversary.